and welcome. Today I'm going to share a tutorial on how I do my tabs for my journals. I know Mrs Cog has a tutorial over on her channel too. I'm not quite sure if mine is a little different or not, but I will leave her link below too. Let's jump in and see how I do it. I use one of these tab punches first, and this is just a manila file folder, and basically I just do 2 of those, and then I take my glue I just coat that with some tacky glue, and then line it up where you want it on your fabric. This grid fabric kind of helps with lining it up. And I do the second one. I made these tabs in a couple of journals on my YouTube. The farmhouse journal, I did some grain sack tabs, and then I think my butterfly journal had some. I leave just a slight gap because we will be folding these. Make sure that's straight. Just kind of line it up like that. Get baby wipe. As you can see, I have, these are some linen ones that I did, and they just kind of hinge together like so. This one I inked the edges after I was done, and it was also coffee stained. This fabric was coffee stained too, but to eliminate that coffee smell, I added some orange clove oil to the solution. But I will show you how these come together. I do leave just a slight hair around it. And you can sew around these too. I find it's really difficult. I did it on the farmhouse journal, but I find it was a little on the primitive side because it was far from perfect. And then I just go in around like so. Let's see, maybe a little bit closer on this side. And then you have a tab. Oh, did I tell you I'm giving one of these away? I know all of us probably have them in our craft rooms, but I am going to be giving one of these away. And then also, hang on, I'll show you. One of these hands, in my last journal post on Instagram, you'll see them holding my journal pages down for photos, and they're weighted, so they make it really nice for posing for your shots for your journals. So, and I'm gonna have this over on Instagram, but since you guys are my loyal subscribers, I'm letting you know first. So look out for that probably next week, but I think this will be probably the second prize, and then this will be the first prize. So, but I just want to thank you for checking out my quick tutorial on tabs, and have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone.